Hey everyone, struggling with the account connection failed error in Mobile Legends Bang Bang or seeing a message about your account being connected to another game progress? Let's fix it step by step. First, ensure your game is running on the latest version. Go to the Play Store, search for Mobile Legends, and check for any updates. An outdated version might cause connection issues. Next, confirm your account is properly linked. Open Mobile Legends, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Go to Account and check if your account is linked to Moonton, Google Play, Facebook, or other platforms. Still facing issues? Clear the game's cache by going to the phone settings. Go to the settings, then Apps, Manage Apps, then find Mobile Legends from the list, Storage, and select Clear Cache. Restart the app and try again. For stubborn errors, reinstall again. Uninstall Mobile Legends, restart your phone, and reinstall again. Then log in with the correct credentials. Lastly, if nothing works, consider contacting Mobile Legends customer support via the help center in the game. Provide necessary details about your account for further assistance. That's it. Now you should be able to resolve the connection issue. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends tips. See you in the next one.